Good morning. I'm at my hotel and I'm getting ready to head to Echo Beach. And I thought this morning I would share with you some of the sights I see as I jog. Although this morning I won't jog. Instead I'll walk so that the camera is not crazy. I don't know what these flowers are, but I love them. They're such a deep burgundy color. This is the street that takes me to the beach. I'm gonna share something. I'm gonna point the camera up. Do you see all of those wires? There's so many. And a lot of times they just dangle. And they always make me a little nervous because I'm like, is that a live wire and I'm about to get electrocuted? What I like about the morning is that generally it's quiet, it's peaceful. As the day goes on, there's so many mopeds on the road, it gets quite loud. All right, but right now, I can still hear the birds. There are temples everywhere. You can see this behind me. People put their offerings on the temples, and they also put offerings outside the entrance of their businesses and their homes. They just put it on the sidewalk, which I'll show you in a few minutes what that looks like. And right over there, you can see another temple. All right, here comes the dogs. They're claiming, there's 4 of them today. They're like, what are you doing up so early? All right. So, if you're scared of dogs, and I've seen a few people who are, they don't like this. So, but the dogs, they say the dogs won't bother you as long as you don't pay them any attention. These are the most, this one is the most aggressive it's been before. It's like, usually I jog by here, they just bark at me. Today, they followed me a little unnerving, but they just bark. I don't know if they have puppies nearby. How are you?
Very nice.
I'm making a video of how peaceful it is, and then the dogs almost attacked me.
And then, it's not good of video because of lightning.
You want to be in my video?
Yay! Where are you from, sir?
I'm from Los Angeles.
Australia?
Los Angeles.
Los Angeles, USA?
Yes. So,
US. What the hell?
have a good day.
You too, brother.
All right.
Oh, very nice tattoo.
Yeah.
I like your tattoo.
Thank you so much. All right. Remember I told you how people are so friendly and they just want to talk? That's an example of that. Nice people, friendly, always smiling. All right. They have their taggers. I came down here last night and it was packed. So it's a thing here in Canggu for people to come watch the sunset together. But really, what it looked like to me is a huge cruise fest. Everybody eyeballing everybody else. Hundreds of people just walking back and forth. You see some people stopping to talk to each other. If you're into that kind of thing, then Echo Beach is definitely a place for you to check out at sunset. A couple of coffee shops through here. You can see the one behind me as an example. In the morning, these beach clubs look dead. They don't look that impressive. But last night when they were filled with people, there was one playing great music. It was a lot of classic rock, and they even played some Chris Stapleton. When I heard the Chris Stapleton song, I was like, yes, it was Tennessee Whiskey. I sang along. All right, can you hear the water? Let me just show you. Morning. All right, I made it to the beach. Here we go. So that was a 12-minute walk from my hotel to the water. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the walk with me. I hope you're having a great day.